Dr. B.R. Shetty, Chairman, BRS Health and Research Institute Private Limited, dedicates Government of Karnataka's Kusamma Shambhu Shetty Memorial Haji Abdullah Mother and Child Hospital, Udupi. A hearty welcome and pranams with utmost devotion to His Holiness Parama Pujya Shri Shri Vishwesha Tirtha Swamiji of Shri Pejawar Math, Udupi, Honorable Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Shri J.P. Nadda, Honorable Minister for Health Shri K.R. Ramesh Kumar, Government of Karnataka, Honorable Minister for Youth Affairs, Sports and Fisheries, Government of Karnataka, and Minister in charge of Udupi District, Shri Pramod Madhvaraj, and all others present here. Dr. B.R. Shetty is a living legend for building institutions and serving the society. Today, this 200-bed hospital being dedicated to the society is one of his contribution to his home district, Udupi. Dr. B.R. Shetty was born at Kapu in Udupi district in the year 1942. Dr. B.R. Shetty served as Vice Chairman, Municipal Council Udupi for more than 8 years. Dr. Shetty landed at UAE in 1973 with just a graduate degree in pharmacy. He established New Medical Center, NMC, in 1975 at Abu Dhabi, UAE, which was the first private healthcare providers in UAE. Dr. Chandrakumari Raghuram Shetty is the first doctor in NMC Group and also a strong support to Dr. Shetty to build his empire. His enterprising nature, foresight and ability to take on challenges transformed him into a business tycoon, earning success in multiple service-oriented businesses including healthcare, finance, pharmaceuticals, hospitality and education. NMC, first healthcare company from UAE to be listed in London Stock Exchange and is a part of the prestigious FTSE 100 Index. 100 facilities across 10 countries, treating over 5 million patients in a year.
Constructing the largest private hospital in the United Arab Emirates.
Dr. Shetty is also the chairman of UAE Exchange, the market leader in money remittance services across the world with over 800 branches in more than 31 countries, employing over 9,000 people, serving 13.5 million customers. Dr. Shetty ventured into distribution with NMC Trading, one of the largest distributors in UAE.
भारत के ही एक संतान श्रीमान शेट्टी जी है तो कर्नाटक के, बस गए हैं गल्फ कंट्रीज में, लेकिन उन्होंने हेल्थ के क्षेत्र में, आरोग्य के क्षेत्र में बहुत विस्तार पूर्वक अपना काम किया हुआ है.
Foundation stone laying ceremony by Shri Chandrababu Naidu, the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, for a $2 billion project, BRS Medicity in Amaravati, the new capital of Andhra Pradesh. Foundation stone laying ceremony by the then Honorable President Shri Pranab Mukherjee for Shambhu Shetty Memorial Super Speciality Hospital, Udupi.
I went and met him. I knew that he was a great man, but when I came to see his operation in the dialysis field, it was something which was eye-opening for me.
ಪ್ರೈವೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು.
B.R. Shetty is the first Asian to receive the highest civilian award for contribution to the society in UAE. He was conferred the prestigious civilian award Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2009, Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award by the Government of India in 2007. He was conferred the honorary doctorate degree by Georgia State University, USA. First ever Swiss Ambassador's Award from His Excellency Wolfgang Amadeus Bruelhart, Ambassador of Switzerland. Forbes Middle East has recognized and awarded Dr. B.R. Shetty as the top Indian leader in the UAE in 2013. Ernst & Young recognized Dr. Shetty as the Middle East Entrepreneur of the Year finalist and awarded him in 2008. Dr. Shetty is the member of the Executive Council of the Advisory Board of Health Sector Strategy Committee of Health Authority of Abu Dhabi, HAAD. He is the patron of Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Abu Dhabi.
مستر شتي طبعا معروف استاذنا يبي يقول لكم نصيحة لوجه الله. سيد مستر شتي سيد الله يدوم غنيا.
Always
Yes.
keep service in mind. Quality, affordability will pay, ethical practice,
Exactly.
money will follow you.
Exactly.
Don't make any business to make money. With keeping these principles in mind, you make service in mind, then money will follow you. It's
And
a
you
live
are-
example of mine.
MashaAllah, Tabarak Rahman. And we are very, very
Thank you,
proud
thank you,
that we
thank
have you in our
Thank you,
UAE.
thank you.
Thank you very much,
thank
Mr.
you,
Shetty.
thank you.
The words of inspiration from Dr. B.R. Shetty are, "It is the society which nurtures us. It is our duty to give back to the society. Only when we share our success, it multiplies." He strongly believed in this and it has worked for him. Dr. B.R. Shetty is indeed a role model to our society. May his tribe increase.